Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Listeners, on Monday, the market witnessed a sharp sell off. The Nifty shed over 500 points, whereas Sensex was down more than 1700 points due to weak global markets and geopolitical tensions as well as rising crude prices. The market went down to the extreme levels. In fact, it has broken the support level of 17,000 confidently and decisively. Because of that, we saw furthermore sell-off during the day, and towards the end, market closed at the lowest point of the day, around 16,800, where the market is having support of 200 days simple moving average. But there was hardly any rebound in any sector or any stock. Most of the sectors closed at the lowest point of the day, and they closed in the red. In fact, the PSU Bank Index was down heavily, and it was down more than 5%. Technically, Nifty and Bank Nifty both has formed bearish gap down candlestick formation, which suggests furthermore weakness in the near term. Direction wise, now the Nifty is trading near 200-day simple moving average, which will keep the market little bit volatile. But the way there was the pullback was missing, we are of the view that below 16,800 we can expect one more round of selling, and in that case the possibilities of hitting 16,700 750 would turn bright. At any cost, the market should not close below the levels of 16,700, because then in that case we may see furthermore weakness up to 16,500 or even 400, which was its previous lowest level. On the higher side, as we mentioned, 17,000 17,050 would be major resistance, and if we see any reversal or any buying activity in the market, then we may see some fresh buying in technology companies, because most of them have fallen heavily and it's a defensive sector. Also, we can expect some more activity in commodities, because there also a huge amount of demand in the commodity market. So we may see some activity in stocks like Hindalco, Nalco, Tata Steel. There we can expect furthermore strength. So we need to focus on these stocks. If we see any reversal in the markets are already heavily down, but at the same time they are in the grip of bears, and that's the reason we cannot take any contra call till the market is not forming any reversal formation. If we talk about the foreign markets, then there has been less selling. The selling is reducing, and diplomatic talk has begun between Russia and Ukraine, but as of now there is no final solution that can keep the market nervous and volatile. So again, flows from the global markets are not that strong, and Singapore Nifty is of course trading nearly 80-85 points higher as compared to its previous close. But otherwise, if we see FI's position in the FNO segment, then they are still short on the market, and we can expect resistance at higher levels. Friends, that's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.